Hey everybody, Travis Holzen with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I'm going to do a little walkthrough of my patio garden. You know, it's probably been about another week since I posted a video, so I just want to show you all the new growth and how things are going. And we're gonna head outside and check it out. Here we go. We'll spin you around. There we go. All right. Right outside my front door. Here's a little bit here. Got my 12 different herbs on that herb garden. And what's this? Some squash. That's spaghetti squash right there. I think that is. And we got some lemongrass. We got some moringa cuttings. I'm trying to grow some moringa trees, but it don't look like it's not looking like it's going to happen, but I did sprout one from seed downstairs in my grow room, so I'm okay with that. We got some lemon balm, there's some radishes. The radishes are doing pretty good. We got some salad, lettuce. This thing is, I can't remember the name of it. We got some lemon mint, starting to go to seed. Some pretty flowers on it. This is cabbage, I think. I don't know if that's going to grow. Got some carrots, but a mouse keeps getting in there and eating everything. Got some peppers down here, and I threw some other stuff in here trying to get it to grow. But as you can see, there's a bunch of holes in there because a little mouse keeps getting in there. I got to find him and take care of him so he doesn't bother my food anymore. We got some asparagus in here, and these are all squashes, zucchinis, cucumbers and stuff. I can't remember what's what because they kind of all look the same to me. I'm kind of starting to see the difference between them because I don't have them marked anymore. There's some potatoes. Run them in a 10-gallon bag. We got some cherry tomatoes. We got about 10 tomatoes on the plant. No tomatoes on here yet. There's a couple different types of tomatoes. Got some Thai basil, Swiss chard. Got some basil that's going to seed. This is lemon something, I think lemon or bee bulb. We got all these strawberries that are sprouting. Lime tree, lemon tree. And here we got some squash. That's some zucchini squash. And some ginger. That's some eggplant, I think, growing right there. Nice pepper. We got a nice big pepper on there. Poblano peppers. A lot more sprouts. Another pepper next to it. Got some beans and some peas. But yeah, we got a blueberry tree. There's my banana tree. And another little herb garden here. Some onions and some parsley and some fennel. This is dill, fennel up here. And then we got another blueberry tree, and then these two pepper plants are going in bigger pots tonight or tomorrow. And just back up in here. So every day I come out here and I grab something to eat. Because you can't beat fresh herbs. I mean, so full of flavor. But anytime I need something to cook with, I just come out here and I snip some off and I chop them up. And if I want to make some tea, I'm going to grab a handful of these. And what else goes in some of this? Lemon mint. And some of these over here. and you can dry them out and make some tea with them. And I think lemon balm here is great for sleep and upset stomach and stuff like that. So let me back up, and that's how big this area is right here. It's small. But look at all the different types of food I'm growing in this small little space. It can be done. You just gotta want to do it. But it's simple. I come out here once a day and water. And if anything goes wrong, I try to fix it. I kind of learn from the plants. They're going to tell me what's wrong. And I figure it out. But that's it. And I'm sure you heard me before. What we do at Food Forest Abundance, we design and we install food forests and edible landscapes. So we will turn your yard into a food producing edible landscape to help you become self-sufficient. And the most nutritious food you can get is right in your backyard or in your local community. So get a hold of me if you want to turn your backyard into a food paradise. Get a hold of me at travis@foodforestabundance.com, or you can visit my website at foodforestabundancemn.com, and let's get one of our designers on your yard. Turn your backyard into a food producing space that will feed your family for generations to come. Have an amazing day. Talk to you soon.